This weekend only. 3 Solana airdrops you can farm right now. Let's go through them fast. Number 1. SACHI. This is a hot new project on Solana. And to farm, you just need to stake your soul. Time is ticking on this one. Number 2. FNX. This one is all about DeFi and you can farm by providing liquidity. This one's heating up, the full tutorial is in my bio. And number 3. SNORT. A unique digital asset play. You can farm this now before the window closes. Don't sleep on these. Complete step-by-step tutorial how to start farming is waiting for you in my bio. This is a weekend play, get on it now. The link is below. For even more in-depth strategies, check out my ebooks on my website. Trading Venture Club link is also in the bio. Like and subscribe for more airdrop alerts.